Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to be unboxing, reviewing, and doing a tutorial on the Jeffree Star Shane Dawson Conspiracy Palette. If you guys didn't already know, I upload every single week. Look out for a video every single week. Hey. Let's get started. I know I've been reviewing a lot of things on my freaking channel for the past couple of videos. I have one more review. Hint, hint. Highlighters. So stay tuned for that. I love reviewing products, and this is just another product that I've been dying to try and giving my 100% absolute honest opinion on it. All right guys, we're here. We're here. I can't believe the day has come. The day has come that I'm gonna review this palette that I've been anticipating, waiting patiently to receive in the mail. All right guys, before I even start this video, I want to give you guys a little bit of a story time because you guys have to listen to what freaking happened. If you guys don't already know, Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson broke the internet. There's no other way of putting it. That's just exactly what happened. They broke the internet with their freaking collection, okay? I just want to start off by saying that Shane Dawson is probably one of the first YouTubers I started watching. Like, when Shane Dawson wasn't a thing where everyone knew who he was, I was already on him and I freaking loved him. I introduced his videos to so many of my friends and they even bring that up like, girl, remember when you would tell me about Shane Dawson? Now look at where he is now. I've met him before. He's one of the sweetest people I've ever met in my life. And Jeffree, I've been watching for a damn minute, like for a freaking long time. Pink hair, pink eyebrows, a while, okay? And I have never tried, this is gonna come as a shocker, but I've never tried Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I know you guys are probably so shocked right now. I don't know why I haven't tried it before. Like, I legit don't know. I should have tried it before, but I'm happy that this collection came out and I'm gonna have my first ever Jeffree Star Cosmetics palette as the Conspiracy palette. So Shane made a series on the making of makeup and business and this and that. And when I tell you, when I watch the video, I feel like I'm a part of the actual series. I don't know why, but I just feel that way. I waited every week for it to be uploaded and I'm watching it and I'm feeling it, their emotions, their stress, their happiness. And then the palette was freaking made and it looks amazing. And I can't believe I have it right here. So the day comes when they freaking release the palette. I put a damn alarm, okay? I put an alarm on my phone 10 minutes before the palette dropped. And I'm sitting there waiting, the seconds are going. I open up Jeffree Star and it comes out to a white page that says error, come back in 5 to 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes, I can't wait that long. You don't know what could happen in 5 to 10 minutes. So what I did was open another tab of Morphe.com where they were actually selling the Conspiracy palettes. And I waited on that site as Jeffree's site was being fixed somehow. Everything freaking sold out in minutes. I kept on refreshing. It was like we were in war. We're trying to get to that palette, we're trying to get to the merchandise, and everything is just freaking shutting down. And I waited, wait for it, I waited 3.5 hours on the Morphe website because that one was actually loading and I didn't even get my product because it freaking sold out. So a couple days go by, he gives us an update that I'm gonna have a couple thousand Conspiracy palettes come out, which is not too many. So I was like, oh girl, I have to get my hands on it. And he said that it's very limited and I'm not gonna tell you what time the palette is gonna be restocked. So what did I do? Day of the freaking palette restock, I kept on refreshing the freaking page every minute. And actually Ruzy, shout out to you girl, she helped me get this palette. She literally was putting in my information before I even got to that part and she ordered it for me and now it's right here. I can't believe it, you guys. I really can't believe it. Let me get scissors because this is enough rambling. You guys probably already know the chaos that happened for this damn collection. I hope it's worth it. That's all I'm gonna say. So it's like the shape of the palette. This is my first time, you guys. I've never tried Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I actually have his Strawberry Mist, which smells like Red Bull, which I love. I love it. Oh, it smells so good. I can't believe the day has come that I'm opening the freaking palette. My first ever JSC what is it? JFK? I was thinking of the president. It's time. Let's see. Let's not try to break it now. Ready? It's our first time together. Girl, don't hit my chin though. Oh, okay, okay. We got it wrapped. Hold on, I can't put it down. I need you to do it. You guys, when I tell you I felt like a part of this freaking series, I sound like a crazy person, but I swear to you, I felt like a part of the series, okay? So this is like a well-awaited moment right here. We have the conspiracy palette. Oh, and another thing, a lot of people are probably wondering, why'd you only get the conspiracy palette? Dead ass, this was like my main googly eyes. Like I was just saliva going down my chin when I saw this palette. Everything else was beautiful. For me personally, this is more suitable because I like to play around with makeup and colors a lot. So yeah, let's open her up. Oh, bubble wrapped, okay. And it's pink. Oh my God. Oh my God, you guys, what the hell? This doesn't feel real. This really doesn't feel real. Oh my God, I'm scared. Why am I scared? Oh my God, bitch. Stop being dramatic. I can't. What? Oh my God. Wow. Yo, I'm getting teary-eyed. Wow, a bitch is shook right now. Oh my God, this is so pretty. Oh, I love that there's freaking socials on the back. Instagram, YouTube. Guys, I'm gonna open it. This is so pretty. It's not like a shocker to me how it's gonna look because we saw it in the series. And I can't believe it's in my hands. I love how luxurious it is. Like, there's no palette like this. Let's be real. Everything is flat. Everything is 2D. This is freaking 3-dimensional. Has freaking buckles on the bottom. All right, I undid the buckles, which are so cute. I love that black charcoal situation going on. Let's open her up. Oh my God. Oh wow. Oh wow, you guys. I smell every palette. Don't look at me weird. Oh my God, this is so much right now. Hold on. One thing that I love, which I'm gonna feel bad in about 20 seconds, is dumping my brush into the palette and messing up the freaking prints. The prints are so cute. Like, I don't even want to touch it. I want to leave it like this, but I know they're gonna be ruined. But I love the detail. The detail is insane. Let's take this plastic off the mirror. Love that it comes with a mirror. I'm so excited to see how the actual shadows work. I love the names of the palettes. Like, just everything about this is so pretty. Ooh, that Illuminati is looking at me weird and I want to try her right now. Okay, let's get started. Let's get started. As usual, I do not go into these reviews knowing what I'm doing, having a particular look in my head. That's because I like to look at the palette and start using my imagination right then and there, seconds into putting my makeup on my eyes. I'm just like that. I like to live on the edge. All right, let's do it. So I'm gonna start off with priming my eyes with MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. All right, time to get started. So the first shade I'm gonna go into is Tanacon. I'm gonna dump right into her right now. Now let's see. Okay. Super smooth. And then I'm gonna go into Diet Root Beer. I love root beer. Oh my God, getting like a root beer float. That vanilla ice cream with the root beer. Love that. Diet Root Beer. Oh wow. You guys, this is really smooth. There's no blotchiness. No streakage. I love greens on my eyes, so I'm gonna put Illuminati all over, probably actually 2/3 of my eyelid, and then I'm gonna put Spiraling on the outer corner, and then we'll mix everything together. So I'm gonna go into Illuminati first. Illuminati. All right, let's see. No Fix Plus, no nothing. Oh wow. This is a really pretty color. All right, now with a different brush, I'm gonna go into Spiraling, which is this shade right here. I'm gonna add that on the end and then go in with a naked brush and just blend all of that together. I'm gonna start to blend it out. Can we just I don't even have lashes on. I don't have any liner on. And it's already looking phenomenal. I'm gonna tap in a little bit to Tanacon and Diet Root Beer. Just the tiniest bit. And kind of just get really high into that crease. Just like that. And I'm just gonna add a little bit more just because when we blended it lost a little bit of its pigment, but not a big deal. All right, now just to brighten things up, I am going to go into Diet Cola using a super thin brush. This is the Morphe M431. It's so perfect. It's like a mini pencil brush, so it gets really precise into the little details that you need. So I'm gonna go into Diet Cola. Oh. Wow, you guys, this is so pigmented. Imagine this all over your lid. Oh my god. I'm gonna try that for Christmas. Ugh, I love this like super smoky situation going on right now. I'm really living for this. Let's go more into Illuminati. Because why not? Blend these two together. Wow. Oh my god, this is really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna put on some lashes and I'll be right back to finish up the under eyes. All right guys, I'm back. I put on my lashes. These are the Scarlett No. 8 by Huda Beauty. Now I'm gonna start to work under the eye. I'm gonna go into Diet Root Beer and start smoking under the eye. And then with an angled brush, I'm gonna go into Illuminati. And I'm gonna start right after the Diet Cola. And I'm gonna bring it to the middle. And then I'm gonna go into spiraling and connect the outer end of our eye. This is so pretty. Wow. And then with the pencil brush, I'm just going to blend everything out. I'm gonna add black liner in my waterline and tightline. Alright guys, I'm gonna add some mascara on my bottom lashes, finish up my lips. I'm gonna tell you guys how I really feel. First off, I'm like obsessed with my eyes right now. It's so wintry, smoky. Oof, I'm loving it. The shadows were super creamy. They blended very easily. I had no streakiness, no blotchiness, no problems with the shadows. The price of the palette, I believe, was $54, $52. I'll insert it right here. The packaging alone is definitely luxurious. It's nothing flat. Like I said, it's super thought out. As you guys saw in the series, I love the prints in the shadows, the names, the mirror. I love everything about this freaking palette, and I'm definitely gonna bring it back because there are so many colors that I still want to work with. Do I think you guys need to try out this palette? I definitely think so. If you guys like colorful things, if you're more of like a brown tony, neutral tony type of person, this palette might not work the best for you. But if you guys like to experiment with colors like I do, this palette is definitely something that you guys must try out. And I'm just living. I love this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all my latest videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.